Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a cute and creative handmade project with you all. A beautiful crochet keychain. Crochet is not just a craft, it is a way to turn simple yarn into something special and unique. For making this adorable keychain, you only need a few basic supplies like colorful yarn, a crochet hook, and a little bite of patience and creativity. The best thing about handmade item is that every single piece has its own charm because it is made with love and care. Crochet keychains are small, cute crochets and perfect for many purposes. You can use them as a decoration for your bag, key, or even give them a lovely handmade gift to your friend and family member. You can create different design like flower, animal, heart, fruit or cute character and make every kitchen different from the other. The process of crochet is relaxing and enjoyable. Every stitch slowly brings the design to life and seeing the final result feel too satisfying. Handmade craft also allows you to explore the imagination and create something that match your own style. If you are beginner, don't worry, start with simple design and practice step by step. With time, you can learn new pattern and create more beautiful crochet creation. I hope this little crochet keychain ideas inspire you to try something creative. Remember, small handmade thing can bring big happiness. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep enjoying the beauty of the handmade art. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and follow for more cute crochet ideas. See you in the next